Hello! Welcome back. Get ready with me for a second date. If you saw the last video, it is the same guy. I only have an hour this time. Again, where am I looking? Am I looking at me or am I looking at the camera? Me, camera, me, camera. The goal today is to not look like a clown. Realistically though, I probably will still look like a clown. Oh, damn. I like washed my brushes today and I needed them dry, so I popped them in the dryer and ooh, they are still very much wet. Oh, como se dice? Moist, damp, wet, if you will. I'm also watching Suits. No music today, no TikTok. Here. Fix It Spray Mac. You know what it is. Are you supposed to use expired makeup products? The answer is no. Am I going to use expired makeup products? The answer is yes. Pew, 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 pew. Oh wait, why am I looking at the camera? I have a mirror right in front of me. Oh, mirror, get it together. Okay. Yes. Oh wait, I have to talk about the date. Okay, right. That was a very cute date. Time flew by. We went to Osawa, a sushi spot in Pasadena. He got there much earlier than I did, and he just was like, he was waiting around. So I was really nervous. I was like, damn, what if we like don't get along? But he's like waiting outside, he's waiting outside waiting for me. Duh. He's outside waiting for me, and he's about to like cross the street. I don't know where he was going, but I like saw him crossing the street, and I was like in my car like this, and I was like, oh my god, look over, and he like looked over, and I like waved, and we're like, oh my god, hi, okay. And he came to where I parked my car. Sorry, I can't talk and do my eyebrows. Are they sisters? They're sisterly. They're sisters in Christ, you know? Anyways, I got there in time for our reservation. 15-minute grace period. God bless. Mwah. Sit down, we talk. We're like just a little nervous. You know, first date jitters. And I like glanced down at his phone and I saw a picture of his dad and I was like, oh my god, that's your dad, that's so cute. Like, my parents are like my screensaver and his dad was his wallpaper. I was like, that's such a cute thing, like, things in common. And then he shared that his dad had unfortunately passed. And I felt really bad and I was like, I'm so sorry. Anyways, the conversation went really well despite my couple of blunders. We talked about his job, we talked about my job, our passions, our pursuits, our hobbies, our faiths. He grew up in LA, I am from Boston, so you ever like go on a date with someone and like thing you're thinking about saying comes out of their mouth? That kept happening, and like we kept like, he kept stealing my points of conversation as I was about to say them, but also we would like say the same thing at the same time, and I was like, oh my god, that's like crazy that you're reading my mind. But no, I was like, that's such a cute little thing. And I'm super indecisive in terms of like eating. Like, I'm down to try anything in terms of food. He was very like assuring when it came to like ordering for us and making sure that I was trying things I really wanted to try and that he wasn't just like taking the lead, but like he kind of was taking the lead, and I kind of like that, you know? He's a former raver. He's reformed. And after dinner, we went to a speakeasy. It was one of the cutest speakeasies I've ever been to. It was like all red light inside and there were like fresh plants and it was chilly. I just remember being cold a lot. But the drinks were like so good. That was our only drink of the night. We didn't really drink. When I did mention that like I was cold, I was chilly, he like gave me his jacket. He was like, see, my boys and my roommates were asking me why I was bringing a jacket. Like, I knew what I was doing. I knew what I was doing. I was like, you knew what you was doing, and I liked it. He was such a gentleman. I only have 30 minutes worth of SD card to film, so enough yapping. Back to my makeup. This is way too warm. It's way too warm. Why is makeup so difficult? I still need to get one of those like hair protectant things. Get him. Ugh. Okay, if I show you my lace, you have to promise not to laugh, okay? Because it's giving very much hard lace, soft life. Shh, 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 shh. It's okay. It's okay. I found this airbrush stipple brush. Airbrush stipple brush. I'm assuming that this is a foundation brush. See how warm? This is giving two different... Okay, but we went through this last time, okay? This is a trust the process situation once again. I actually know what I'm wearing this time, okay? Like, I only gave myself an hour for makeup, but that's because I know what I'm wearing for clothes. And because it's still hot, I am still keeping makeup simple. So the fit is a brown skirt and like this funky brown orange, what's the word? Patterned. Patterned shirt. Oh, an orange blush would look so cute. Since I don't have an orange blush. This as blush. A flicker of a flicker of romance. Kind of fitting for the evening, don't you think? It's giving a different kind of clown. And unfortunately, I don't hate it. Blush blindness is gonna be so real for me in like 5 years. But for now, this is who I am. Alright, I'm gonna go figure out what I want to do with this eye. Put my liner on. And come back. Yeah, eyeliner is done. Let's get a close up. Eyeliner is done. Kevin's. Oh, okay. So, okay. I was like having a conversation with someone about what my favorite movies were, and Seven is one of my favorite movies. And I was like, yeah, it has like Morgan Freeman and Brad Pitt and that one pedophile. Was that 3 in a row? That would be 4. I couldn't remember his name. Kevin Spacey. Alright, I am all done. This is his jacket. Oh, this is his jacket. I'm not giving it back, but just in case I get cold, you know? Wish me luck.